these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to inspire you all with another beautiful glam DIY idea. Okay, y'all, so I have these old boxes that I got from Dollartree like forever ago. And all I did was put some rose gold mirrored tile on here. And I'm going to take these and redefine this whole look. So I am going to like glam these up. I'm going to change the color and make it look so cute, y'all. Okay guys, so this is how the boxes turned out after I painted them. We are going to seriously glam these boxes up, y'all. Okay guys, so I've gathered everything that I'm going to need for this DIY. So I'm going to use some crystal diamond wrap that I got from Amazon, and I got 3 different sizes here. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, but I got all of those. Then I have these drawer pulls that I also got from Amazon a while back. And of course, we're going to use these boxes that I got from Dollar Tree, our glue gun, glue sticks, and we're going to use this tile. This tile came in, of course, 2 different sizes. Like I said, you get them from Nephew Glam Decor, and they're about $40.99 for 3 sheets. And I think the sheets are about 12 by 12, but you can look online. I'll leave the link in the description box, and then you can see exactly how many of these you actually get on a sheet. So I'm going to be using both of those. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our box, the bigger box, and these fit inside of here, so it's really, really cute. But of course they won't, because I'm going to put the knobs on top. But you know, let's get into it, y'all. Okay guys, so let me just tell y'all this. I decided to put the diamond wrap on before I put the tiles on, and the reason I did that is because if I put them on afterwards, I would have to kind of measure the sides so I can get them almost in the middle. If you use the crystal diamond wrap, you're more likely to get it in the middle, you know, or it won't be so obvious if you don't measure. So y'all know I'm always trying to come up with ways that I can do things without measuring, because everybody don't, you know, they're not good at measuring, and I'm definitely not. So I almost everything. So this is an easier way to apply the tile rather than to try to have to get it so neatly placed. So this is what I do, y'all. Okay guys, so this is how they turned out. They are so beautiful. I love how they turned out. These are so elegant. They can go in your bathroom or on the table. I'm gonna make a cute little candle holder, I think, and I'm gonna put it in like a, you know, a display on my table, like a centerpiece or something, I don't know. But I think I'm gonna do something like that. But I think it is gorgeous, y'all. I hope you all like what you see. And if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.